everybody. You're most welcome to MX Breaks on MX24 TV. My name is Stephanie Flashley. Let's get straight into our stories for today. Now, it was a long weekend, and over the weekend, MX24 TV happened to be at some of the amazing activities and events that happened. Now, one was Live Well Festival, and the other was Oyarifa Mall, the amazing things that took over Oyarifa Mall over the holiday yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at some of the snippets.